Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if your iPhone apps are immediately crashing when you're opening them basically. So if your iPhone apps are just crashing, then here's how you can fix that. So fix number one is going to be really easy, but what you need to make sure to do that is that your Wi-Fi or cellular mode is connected, because for basically 99% of all the apps over on your iPhone, you need to have basically cellular mode or Wi-Fi enabled. And if you don't have this enabled, then sometimes Apple just start crashing. So just make sure that you have Wi-Fi or cellular mode enabled. Now, if you have make sure you basically have that, then the second thing I also recommend doing is basically restarting your phone. This will literally just hard refresh your phone, and sometimes this fixes any issues you are having with apps crashing. You can do this by holding the power button and the volume up button at the same time till you basically see that slider when you can turn it off. Now, if you've already done that as well, then the third thing I always recommend doing is heading over into settings just like this, then scrolling down on your iPhone settings. So if in general, then click on software update, and there is a big chance that you maybe just need to update to the newest version. Basically, once you've done that, it will literally just fix a lot of bugs, including apps crashing. It will also just give your entire phone a hard reset. So I'll just recommend doing that. Now, if you've already done that as well and it's literally just still not working, then what you can also just simply do is head over into general again, but now we're going to click on iPhone storage. And when your storage is basically almost completely full, then sometimes apps will just not open because they will not be able to basically open because of the low storage amount, and they will not be able to write cache. So what you're going to do is you need to make sure that you have at least 1 or 2 gigabytes left of storage over on your phone. So just make sure you have that, because that could definitely be basically an issue for your phone. Now, if you've already done that as well, then what you can also just do is go to the app that is crashing. So if all of your apps are crashing over on your phone, then you want to skip this part. However, if only 1 or 2 apps are crashing, then what you can simply do is head over into settings again, click on general, click on iPhone storage again, and then go to the app that may or may not be crashing, such as TikTok, for example. Then what you can do is click on offload app. It will literally just reinstall the app, but it will keep all of your data within your device, meaning you will not be logged out and all those kind of things. And you can reinstall it back again using this page as well. And sometimes that will fix a lot of issues you are having with that certain app. Now, if all of those fixes still not fix the issue for you, then the last thing I would recommend doing is heading over into general again, then scrolling down till you find transfer, reset iPhone, click on reset, and I will just recommend clicking on reset all settings. This will not completely reinstall your entire phone. However, it will basically give all of the possible settings basically a hard reset, meaning that sometimes that could just fix the issue. And like I said, it will not completely erase your phone. And yeah, that's basically all I have for you guys right now. So let me know down in the comments below which fix it for you, or if you still need any help, I will definitely help you out. And that being said, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.